Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. That's Gandhi. So I forgot to film the intro of my video, so here it is. So today's challenge is going to be about me doing my makeup only with my hands, not using sponges or brushes. So if you're interested in watching, please keep on watching, and before that don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to become a part of the Potato Fam. So keep watching. So I'm just going to go inside the makeup. The first thing always make sure that your hand is sanitized, not because of the coronavirus, but you don't want your hands to go on your face when your hands are dirty. So make sure your hands are sanitized. So the first thing I'm going to do is start with a moisturizer. I've already put a base, but I feel like my face is feeling extra dry, so I've applying some moisturizer on my face. So the next thing I'm going to do is apply foundation. I used to do this back in the days when I didn't have a sponge. So I'm going to apply my foundation without a brush or a sponge, because obviously the challenge says you're supposed to use your hands. So yeah, let's see how that goes. This feels so weird. I really feel weird doing this, but I feel like there's more coverage when you do it with your hands, because the warmth of your hands just melts everything inside. So I feel like obviously there is more coverage, but it needs to be blended out properly so that your face does not look weird. Now that our foundation is laid, we need to move on to the concealer. I don't think I should have taken down this challenge, because look at my hands, they're already so dirty. So anyway, I'm going to go inside with a concealer right now. My two favorite concealers. I'm going to put very little of this today and more of the other one. So yeah, let's see. I usually do put on these places because I have a little bit of hyperpigmentation, so I tend to do it. And I think this tube is over, but I don't like wasting makeup, so I literally scoop out every part of it so that I don't get it. So I'm going to wait for some time to do this, but then I'm going to start blending this with my index finger. See how easily that is blended out. Just don't mind my phone. Now we're going to the difficult part, which is my eyes. So I have my mirror here, so I'm just going to look at that and concentrate. I used to do my concealer also with my my hands, but now that my hands are full of foundation, I feel very uncomfortable. I don't know how I'm going to put setting powder after this, because I can't even use a sponge. Oh god, that's going to be a disaster. But let's see, we'll figure something out. We're Indians, we can always find a jugaad. This one's blended out pretty nice. Okay, both are blended out pretty nicely, and now I'm going to use a setting powder. I feel like my face looks too yellow. Do you guys think my face looks too yellow? Because in the mirror here I don't look yellow, but I think there I look a bit yellow. I don't know. Can you see it? I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to use a setting powder right now. Oh god. This feels so weird. Probably dust off the excess. Okay, but I can see that it's not blended. Now we can't do anything. So let's see. I'm just gonna put loose powder under my eyes and around my nose. And that's it. We're done with the loose powder. So next, I don't know does it count, but I want to do my eyebrows, but I'm not supposed to use a brush, so I don't really know how to do it. Okay, so I have a palette right in front of me, this one. So I'm planning on taking like the black and doing my eyebrows with my hands. So wish me luck. I've taken black, can you see? Yeah. Just gonna go on the ends of my eyebrows. Yeah, I did a pretty good job, I think. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I liked it. It's good. I mean, I didn't even think I would come this far, but we have a winner. Okay, great. It does look good. It's not that bad. So okay, the next thing is what do we do the next? Should we put highlighter? Yeah, I think I'll put the liquid highlighter and then we'll move on to the powder probably. So I have the liquid highlighter. This anyway is supposed to be blended with the hand. One sec, my mirror got closed. So I can't do anything without the mirror. I think and no one can do anything without the mirror. So yeah. Drops, blend. I put a little too much, but let's work with it. God, I really miss my sponge, man. I mean, I really want this to get blended out, which I think it has gotten. So the next step is blush. So the blush I'm using the Fit Me blush and not the Maybelline blush. I mean not the Nykaa blush, because the Nykaa blush has a lot of pigment. So I don't want to look like a joker. So I'm going to use this blush, which is almost over. Just gonna dab it here and then spread it out. God, so much jugaad we Indians do, I tell you. I mean, I'm happy with this. I don't know if you can see, but I can see it on the mirror. But yeah, I think you can see a little bit of difference. Yeah, so for my eyeshadow, yeah, I'm going to take the same palette again we used, this one. And we're going to probably put like a subtle red, orange. Should I go for green? I don't know. Okay, I'll go for an orange, like a light orange on my eyes. And then because we can't even wear like a mascara with mascara brushes, because this is a no brush and only hand challenge, which I'm taking very seriously. So yeah. Oh God, it's gonna take hours to blend this. If you can see, I think I should have gone for like a blue shadow because of my clothes and the background, but who cares? If you can see closely, I don't think I've even blended it properly. Okay, so this is done. Now I'm going to go on to my what is that called, powdered highlighter, which again I have to use with my hands, which is broken. I'm sure you guys would have seen. I'm gonna take the risk and go on slightly. Okay, great. And then blend it out like in circular motions, like you do even with a brush. So yeah, you can see a little glow, a little bit here. Should I put on my eyebrows? No. Okay, I have it on now. Little on my chin. I know I'm liking this extra glow nowadays. So now moving on to the mascara. I swear I don't know how to do this. I have my liner. Or wait, I can actually like put it with the same black shadow I used before for my eyebrows. So I think I'm gonna do that, which won't be like a mascara, but whatever. I just wanted to like lift my eyebrows, lashes. Okay, yeah, it is happening. Can you see? There's like an instant difference. Can you see? Can you see the difference? Okay, great. This thing's working, I guess. Okay, that's all I can do for now. So moving on to the last step is lipstick, which I'm glad is the last step because I don't think there's much more you can do. I'm going to use the Nykaa So Matte lipstick in the shade 18M and then apply. I mean, applying lipsticks is fine like with the hands. They don't need like precision other than the upper lip, so that's a bonus. Okay, we're done. I can't believe that I actually like this look, but will I be wearing it out? No, because my eyes look really incomplete without a mascara, like a proper brush mascara. So I wouldn't be wearing this out, but like if in case I'm doing like a shoot or something, this is fine. Like I'm probably going to take pictures with this makeup on right now after filming this video. So yeah, I'm fine with it, but it was like a tough challenge. Not tough, kind of an interesting, fun kind of a challenge, but yeah, I mean, not everyone can like really do their makeup with their hands, so I'm gifted. So anyway, hope you like this video. Hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to become a part of the Potato Fam. That's going to be my new symbol for Potato Fam. I'm just coming up with new things every day. So anyway, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to become a part of the Potato Fam. Also follow me on my social media and love you guys. Please do recommend some new video ideas if you have. I'll probably post on my IGTV again. So yeah, have a safe month. Okay, bye bye, love you all.